Hi! Welcome to our demonstration calculation video by
Pravina,
Pritina,
Nalini.
and me, Nurul and Mirza.
Let's start with question 1. The question 1 is, Sepakat Teguh is looking for fund of 8 million through issuance of bond, preferred stock and common stock. The additional information from the question is 2.0 million is for bond, 2.5 million is for preferred stock, 3.5 million for common stock. For the bond, 9% is coupon rate and the maturity life is 10 years. Flotation cost is 7% and market price is 1200. For preferred stock, market price is 100 ringgit, dividend is 8 ringgit 50 cents and for flotation cost is 3%. For common stock is dividend 3 ringgit, flotation cost is 4% and the dividend growth is 5% constantly and the market price is 16 ringgit. And the tax rate also 30%. Let's move to first question, which is we need to calculate the WACC, weighted average of cost of capital. The formula is equity divided by value of the firm times with cost of equity plus dividend divided with value of the firm times with cost of debt. 1 minus tax, then plus with preferred stock divided by value of the firm times with cost of preferred stock. First we need to calculate the value of the firm, which is 3.5 million plus 2.0 million plus 2.5 million equals to 8 million. After we calculate the value of the firm, second is cost of equity. For the cost of equity is dividend divided by price plus growth. Cost of equity is for common stock. So the 3 ringgit is dividend divided by Rn 16 ringgit, which is market price, plus with 0.05, which is dividend growth 5% because of constantly, and equals to 0.2375. We can convert to 23.75%. Third is cost of debt. For cost of debt, we need to calculate the coupon rate first, which is 9%, as I mentioned here, times with Rn 1200, which is market price, equals to Rn 108 ringgit. For the flotation cost, 7% times with market price Rn 1200 equals to Rn 84 ringgit. So total debt will be market price minus with flotation cost, which is 1200 ringgit minus 84 ringgit, and the final answer will 1116 ringgit. For the cost of debt, we need to calculate the coupon rate, which is Rn 8 ringgit divided by 1116 ringgit, the total debt, times with 1 minus 0.30, which is tax rate. So the final answer will be 0.0677. We can convert to 6.77%. Next is cost of preferred stock. For cost of preferred stock is dividend 8 ringgit 50 cents. Cost of flotation cost will be 3% times with 100 ringgit, which is market price, and the price will be 100 ringgit minus 3 ringgit equals to 97 ringgit. So the cost of preferred stock will be 8 ringgit 50 cents divided by 97 ringgit, which is dividend divided by the price, equals to 0.087. We can convert to 8.76%. And the WACC will be 3.5 million divided by 8 million times with 0.2375, which is I calculate as the cost of equity, plus 2.5 million divided by 8 million times with 0.0876, which is I calculate for cost of preferred stock, plus with 2.0 million divided by 8 million times with 0.0677, which I calculate for cost of debt. After we plus everything, the final answer will be 0.1482. We convert to 14.82%. Let's move to question 1, number 2. We need to calculate the weighted average flotation cost. The formula is equity divided by value of the firm times the cost of equity plus dividend divided by value of the firm times the cost of debt plus preferred stock divided by value of the firm times the cost of preference. So let's plug in the formula. 3.5 million ringgit divided by 8 million times with 4%, which is common stock flotation cost is 4%, plus 2 million divided by 8 million times with 7%, which is bond flotation cost is 7%, plus 2.5 million divided by 8 million times with 3%, which is preferred stock flotation cost is 3%. So the final answer will be 0.044375 will convert to 4.4375%. The third question will be the true cost of the fund needed. So Rn 8 million divided by 1 minus the weighted average of cost of the weighted average flotation cost 0.044375, and the answer will be 8,371,484 ringgit 63 cents, and the true cost will be 8,371,484 ringgit 63 cents minus with 8 million, and the answer will be 371,484 ringgit 63 cents. For the question 4, in this particular case, we use the market value of the debt. However, in particular, it is often assumed that the market value of the debt is equal of the book value of the debt. Why it is often necessary to make this assumption in practical? In practical, it is frequently necessary to assume that the market value of the debt is identical to its book value in order to maintain consistency, availability and simplicity. The book value of the debt is readily available from the company's balance sheet and offers a consistent, dependable metric that is not influenced by market fluctuation. This assumption ensures practicality and comparability across financial statements, particularly when market data is missing or for long-term debt where market value and book value difference are minimal. It facilitates financial analysis and reporting. That's all from me. Thank you.